Hey guys, thanks for coming back to Healthy Club channel. Let's talk about sugar. It's everywhere and most of us are eating way more than we should. We all know the obvious culprits: candy, cookies, soda. But the truth is, sugar hides in about 75% of the products at your grocery store. You might be surprised to find added sugar lurking in things like bread, yogurt, and even salad dressings. It disguises itself under tricky names like high fructose corn syrup, dextrose, or maltose. But don't be fooled. All that added sugar adds up, and it's doing serious damage to our health. We're talking about increased risk of obesity, insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, fatty liver disease, and even heart disease. So, what can we do about it? Stay tuned, because in this video, I'm going to give you a simple, step-by-step plan to curb those cravings and kick sugar to the curb for good. Alright, step 1 to kicking your sugar habit is knowledge. We gotta know what we're up against. The American Heart Association recommends no more than 25 grams of added sugar per day for women and 36 grams for men. That might sound like a lot, but trust me, it adds up quickly. The key here is to become a label detective. Start reading those nutrition labels carefully and pay close attention to the sugar content. Remember those sneaky names for sugar I mentioned earlier? Look out for those too. You might be surprised to see how much sugar is hiding in foods you thought were healthy. Once you start paying attention, you can make more informed choices about what you're putting into your body. Remember, knowledge is power. Now that you're more aware of your sugar intake, let's talk about cutting back. I'm a big believer in gradual change. Trying to go cold turkey can lead to intense cravings and make it harder to stick to your goals. So, start by tackling the liquid sugars first. That means saying see ya later to soda, sweetened juices, and those fancy coffee drinks loaded with syrups and whipped cream. Instead, opt for water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee. Once you've conquered the liquid sugar demons, you can move on to solid foods with added sugar. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Now I know what you're thinking. What about my sweet tooth? Don't worry, I've got you covered. When those sugar cravings hit, reach for naturally sweet whole foods like fruits. Berries, apples, oranges, nature's candy. These options will not only satisfy your sweet tooth but also provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. And a pro tip: stick to whole fruits instead of processed versions like applesauce or fruit juices, which can be sneaky sources of added sugar. Chapter 4, Step 4, Managing Cravings. Let's be real guys, cravings are gonna happen. But the key is to have a game plan to manage them. First things first, stay hydrated. Sometimes our brains confuse thirst for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. So, keep that water bottle handy. Next, make sure you're eating balanced meals throughout the day. When you're properly fueled with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, you're less likely to experience those blood sugar spikes and crashes that can trigger cravings. And finally, find healthy ways to distract yourself when cravings strike. Go for a walk, call a friend, listen to music, or pick up a hobby. Chapter 5. Step 5. Reset your taste buds. Here's a little secret. Your taste buds regenerate every 2 to 3 weeks. That means you have the power to retrain your taste buds to prefer less sweet foods. As you reduce your sugar intake, you'll start to notice that natural foods taste sweeter and more satisfying. That overly sweet processed stuff you used to crave, it might even start to taste too sweet. It's amazing how your body adapts when you give it what it needs. Chapter 6. Conclusion. Take the first step. Listen guys, quitting sugar isn't about being perfect. It's about progress, not perfection. There will be times when you slip up and that's okay. Don't beat yourself up about it. Just get back on track and keep going. The benefits of reducing your sugar intake are huge. More energy, better sleep, improved mood, clearer skin, and a lower risk of serious health problems down the road. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Out or drop a comment below. So there you have it guys. 5 simple steps to help you kick your sugar habit to the curb. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. Share this video with a friend who's also trying to cut back on sugar and support each other on this journey. And hey, I want to hear from you. What are your biggest challenges when it comes to sugar? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on how to live a healthier, happier life. Until next time, stay healthy.